Hi everyone, welcome to the Aranton channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I install this decal on my customer's truck. First, we have to know what the customer wants to put on his vehicle. So and then after that, we will have to take a picture of his vehicle and then do a digital mock-up. So we'll have to graphic design it. Then send an email to him. Once he agrees and he likes it, then we can print it. After printing it, we have to laminate that print so that to protect it from weather, from the UV, so that our design or print or vinyl will not crack easily due to the UV radiation. And also, without lamination, once the customer wash the his car, then it'll be easily scratched. So that also, the lamination prevents scratching. And then after lamination, we have to cut it like that on the machine. Then after cutting it, we'll have to after the machine cuts it, we'll have to remove all the matrix. So we have to weed it like so, like here on the video. um, we're just gonna remove all the excess material. The excess material is called matrix. And it takes a while before, just some patient here is what we need to remove it all. And then this is the trickiest part. After we remove all the matrix, we have to put those tape on top that will enable us to transfer the all the individual letters so that it will not be messy. We'll have to tape it all up onto, it's called it is called transfer tape. Then once we put the transfer tape on top of our print, then we are ready to put it on the vehicle. But first, before we put it on the customer's vehicle, we have to make sure that the car's exterior is completely cleaned and with soap, and then rinse it well, and then dry it. After that, then we are ready to install it, like what I'm doing here. So this is the trickiest part, because all these individual letters, once it's hard. It's not easy, but don't give up, because after a while of doing this, once you get a hang of it, then it'll be so much better. You can do it so much easier. So this is especially hard on this particular day because it was a bit windy, and it was about the temperature is pretty cold, about 8 outside, but it will get warmer in the afternoon. So yeah, you'll really have to be careful on doing the installation part. Yeah, I apologize guys, because this is the first time ever I made a video on what I do on the print shop. I've been doing this for more than 3 years now, but yeah, I just decided to make some video because I'm always busy doing the job on installation. But this is gonna look really nice. But if you want more of this kind of video, just let me know. And if you want more details on the video, how to laminate, what kind of machine, what kind of vinyl, let me know. I'll help you out. And this is what
Yeah.
the finished installation looks like. And yeah, he drove to my house to show me what it looks like after a month. And then he was talking to me
On
about
the side?
doing more on the back of his truck right there. He wants me to put more designs on the back here. So I was able to do the I was able to do that, the mock-up design for that as well. And here on the back we added some more. And yeah, guys, for more videos, let me know. I apologize, this is the first time ever I made a video, and hopefully you like it. Thank you so much. Until the next video, bye.